Communications with Yaqoob Chaudhry. He's taken many trainings with us. Today I'm going to be asking him about his experience here at NetSoft.
My first course for 2003 Windows servers, and then I enjoy my course because the trainer Mr. Tariq Azad, he's best trainer, and then he's using lots of technique to just train us in IT. And also he's like training us how to just cope up with our life, like a physical life, like how to get up early, how to just on time, and then he's keep wake up us in the class, not to sleep. So he have lots of technique to do that one. The course is really detailed oriented, and then our teacher Tariq Azad, he is explaining all that components, and then most of that we are getting all practicals and labs. Is more focused on to give us hands-on training, and we are getting lots of new features from the VMware. We had IT training around the world. World I can say New York, Asia, and other places. I had some training, but our principal consultant Tariq Azad is the best ever teacher I had in IT field.